Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Great to see you here. Today I wanted to share with you my own trading experience. Just in previous 30 seconds I've made $86. And let's go straight to business. Let's roll a little bit. All you need to do on the platform is to make the right prediction of the price movement. The price is going up and down all the time, and in case if you making the correct prediction, you will get 86% of profit for now. So there's situations when the profit can be 96%, but right now it's 86. Right here you have plenty of assets you can trade on. Let's see what's happening. My prediction was incorrect, and how to act in that case. This is the main point of this video that I want to show you. Okay, the price is jumping. There's side moves today. Okay, the price will go up, I believe. To understand what's the situation on the market right now, you should scroll out a little bit, and as you can see, the price now is near to the bottom, so that means that anytime soon it should go bigger, it should grow, and it should be higher than the line of my prediction. This is pretty simple. And right now, as you can see, I get $215 profit. That means that I should go back to my previous amount of $100. So in that case, I can stay longer on the platform and I can be more profitable in general. Let's see the price. As you can see, the price is going not so high and not so down. Okay, we missed the opportunity. I like to make my prediction right in front of this expiration timeline, because in that case I can be more specific. The price is changing all the time, but the best points is like here, like this, as you can see. And oh, this nice sharp movement, that means that the price went up and it will go down. You can predict this movement. It's not always the same, it's not always like that, and you should be ready for mistakes. It's absolutely normal on any platform or any place where you're trying to get money. Alright, this is the great point. As you saw, the price jumped up and I catch this point, and I believe that the price will go down. Let's see what's happening. Just a couple seconds to go and we'll know the result. If my prediction was incorrect, this is no big deal, because I have the martingale strategy that I'm trading on all the time, and it gives me the opportunity to be profitable even if I'm making mistakes. As you can see, as I was predicted, the price went down, but not in the time I was needed. That means that my bet was wrong. Okay, right in front of this expiration timeline. Right in this expiration timeline. Down. The market is pretty unstable. Today. We're trading on Euro and Canadian dollar. As you can see, the price right now is lower than my prediction point, and that means that I will get $115 of a profit. Great. This is great. I won this bet. That means that I should get back to my previous amount So with the small amounts you can stay longer on the platform. You should remember that. Which way? You see those side moves, it's not so good for trading, because if there's no movement, no opportunities to make money. Let's see what's happening. The price jumped up a little bit, and I believe that it will go down, but situation is changing any second. Can change any second, literally. Let's see 10 seconds. See, it's close enough. It's close enough to this line. Okay, I got my profit. Let's try one more time. Plus 86. Oh, this is cool movement. You see the fast and sharp movements. This is great. This is actually bad, and this is great. Okay. Alrighty, my prediction point is not right here, it's right here. So we'll wait a little bit. Even if this bet was wrong, was bad, anyway, I'll get my profit, believe me. I want to remind you that all the useful links are under this video, and if you want to know more, use my links and go to the platform, try it yourself. My first advice: do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, first of all, and try it yourself. You should feel it, you should feel this platform, and in that case, when you're gonna know how it's working, you will understand how to act on this platform to get the profit anyway and anytime. It's available 24/7. You can make money on, look, there's plenty of assets right here that you can trade on. Let's see what's happening right here. It's so close, it's so close. And alrighty, I get my profit. That's cool. I have more money that I'm started from, and this is great result. If you want, I'll remind you that you should go back to your previous amount of money so you can stay longer on the platform and get more money in general and in the end. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video was very useful for you. If you want to know more, go to the description of this video. There are links so you can get free access for this platform, easy and safe. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and wish you good profits. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.